What if ordering parts was efficient, seamless, and simple for repair technicians? With ServicePower, it can be. Through seamless integrations with the country's top parts distributors, our platform enables field technicians to identify, purchase, and ship parts all from the palm of their hand. Here's how we do it. By integrating our system with leading distributors, we unlock access to a nearly unlimited selection of repair and replacement parts. Creating a parts order is simple. Search by item name. Use thumbnail photos to quickly identify parts needed, or leverage schematics to see the various assemblies for the repair work with an exploded view of all equipment parts. Easily see all potential parts, including an image, and then click on a part to order it. An exact match can be done to ensure the correct part is ordered. There are often multiple versions of an appliance or other item in repair. Therefore, we provide plate images to know where to look for the version and ensure the right item is selected. A suggestion feature highlights which parts are often ordered together, ensuring all required parts are ordered at the same time. Quantities can be updated before reviewing and placing the final order. Shipping is automated, and the order can be sent to the service company or directly to the end consumer. ServicePower's partnership with leading parts distributors, combined with our innovative functionality, can make a big impact in your business. End consumers have better experiences when their technician has the right part the first time for the repair, resulting in better reviews and return customers. Technicians are more efficient, spending less time searching for parts, ordering extra parts after the fact, and returning wrong items. Support calls are vastly reduced, saving unnecessary expenses and freeing up time to focus on more important issues. Your company reaps the benefits of satisfied consumers and happier field workers with improved NPS scores, first-time fix rates, increased daily job completion, and operational efficiencies. Learn more about ServicePower's parts ordering capabilities now. Visit servicepower.com